Hi, me again. Just decided to paint my car today. I just did parts of it there because the rest of it's still pretty good. Just when I did it last time about 3 years ago, it just had a little bit of a bad paint there, so I decided to redo the tops of the doors. And the area between the trunk lids. And the tops of the doors on the other side. And I also did inside the engine compartment too. I redid the master brake cylinder with some of the black paint I had left over. Did the top of the rad. The lighting's not that good in here. I just got the door open so people can see. And the rad support, I redid that. And I also did the heater motor also. Okay, so that's about it. Just thought I'd show you what I did. And still waiting for it to dry, so I've got to unmask it shortly after it dries up a little bit more. Okay. So have a good day now. Bye for now.